Hey, I haven't done this in a while, and I'm hoping you can hear me. I am streaming live from Zoom onto Facebook, and there's a little bit of delay when I'm looking at myself on Zoom and doing this. So I hope you guys can hear me and see me okay. Some of you might be joining me here on Zoom, and some of you might be joining me on Facebook, on my Facebook page. Anyway, what I want to know is what is stopping you? What is holding you back from investing in your future? Don't do what I did and waited until I was in my 40s to get started investing in tax liens. But what is holding you back? What do you need the most help with, and what can I help you with now? I do a wealth building webinar every month, and it's free to come to the live webinar. And I'd love to know what topic you would like me to cover on the next webinar that I do. Now, I do these webinars the second Wednesday of every month. And so I'd like to know what you would want me to do on my next webinar, which is the 14th of September or the 15th of September? Let me check my calendar and tell you real quick, and I can tell you when that is. The next wealth building webinar is the 15th of September, and they're at 7:30 Eastern time. And I'd love to know what topic you're having a challenge with right now when it comes to investing in your future. I also have a group, a Facebook group called Investing for Success that is free to join. All you have to do is answer some questions. We just want to make sure that you're really interested in investing in tax liens and tax deeds, and that you're not going to be soliciting the other members of the group. So just answer the questions and agree to the terms, and we'll let you join the group. It's very simple, very easy. And it's a way that you could get some more help from me and from other members of the group. And I also have done in the past Investing for Success conferences. And these conferences have been free to come to live, and very affordable if you want to get all the replays. But so what I'd like to know is, what would you have me cover in future conferences that we do? Our last conference was specifically on tax lien investing, but we've had conferences on wealth building in general. Our first conference was on how to make more money, how to invest your money, how to keep your money when you make it. And actually, our second conference was on the same lines. Really, it's about investing for success in your future, and things like what insurance policies will help you, how to set up the best entity, or what type of self-directed IRA you should have to invest in not only tax liens, but other things as well, and other types of investing, other types of real estate investing. But the last one that we did back in May was specifically about tax lien investing, which, hey, let's face it, I'm the tax lien lady, so that's what I know best. But what I want to know is what is your biggest challenge to investing in general, and specifically investing in tax liens or tax leads, and how can I help you? And I want to know this because this is going to determine what my next topic will be in my next wealth building webinar that I'll be doing the 15th of September at 7:30. It is live to come to the call, but guess what? You could get the replays of all my wealth building webinars for only $49 a month. Plus you get my tax lien investing basics course, which is a $297 course. And so welcome, Rodney. I know you're here on Zoom with me. And I know I have people on Facebook as well, on my Facebook page. And if you missed what, and I apologize that I didn't realize you were in the waiting room and I had to let you in. So thank you for being here. And there's a little delay from Zoom to Facebook. So I'm hoping you guys can see me and hear me okay. But just put in the comments, if you're on Zoom, there's comments. You could comment on Zoom and let me know what your biggest challenge is to investing in tax liens and tax deeds. And if you're not on Zoom, and if you watch this later on my Facebook page, you could comment on my Facebook page. Okay, and I've just let somebody else into Zoom. It's good to see you. And I'm actually going to go to Zoom right now. I'm looking at Facebook here because we're streaming live onto Facebook from Zoom. And I don't even know if I could see the Zoom anymore. Oh yeah, there it is. Okay. Yeah, we're being live streamed right onto Facebook. So if you missed the beginning of this, no worries, you'll be able to go to my Facebook page. It is at facebook.com/tax lien investing tips. Okay, and you'll be able to see the entire video. It was really only about 10-15 minutes long. All right. Basically, what I'm looking for is for you guys to comment and let me know what is your biggest challenge when it comes to investing in tax liens, investing in your future in general. What would you like me to cover in my next wealth building webinar or in my next conference that I do? Okay, I look forward to seeing you on the Facebook page and in future Zooms like this. I did this impromptu. So I also do, by the way, I do a free Facebook Live, and we're changing the time of that Facebook Live that I do. It was on the first and third Tuesdays of the month at 2 p.m. in the afternoon, Eastern time. We're changing that to the second and third Tuesday of the month at 2 p.m. Eastern time. So the next one will be September 14th at 2 p.m. And I do, in those Facebook Lives, I actually ask questions. All right. So for those, you have to go to, I don't do those on Zoom. I use a different platform for those. I use StreamYard, but that streams directly to Facebook. And you could go right to my Facebook page, facebook.com/tax lien investing tips. And that will take you to my business page on Facebook. And that's where those lives are. Okay, and on those lives, you can ask your questions. You can, I can see your comments, you could ask your questions, and I answer them live. That's called Ask the Tax Lien Lady Live, okay? And you could see them if you go to my page now, you could see them, the ones that I've already done. Okay, everybody, so I hope to see you there in September. See you in September. Bye.